if you come in here to be a fool. That's all I was gonna say live, so everybody can hear it.
Yeah.
Because if we open up the doors to everybody, you get weird people coming in.
Oh yeah. Well, the beauty is the beauty is they can't access without registering through Zoom, so that'll keep all the riffraff at least down to a minimum. But yeah, we'll be monitoring it for sure. Yep, we'll be monitoring it. Excuse me. Good morning, everybody. Thank you
Recording
all.
in progress.
Thank you. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you. We should be live on all the things. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me share out my screen. One moment. There we go. All right. Good morning while everybody's rolling in. It's 9:05 on this July 30th. 2 more trading days of the month. 2 more trading days of the month. Real quick before we get this party started, as always, I want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget, when I am gone today, Wednesdays is the hardest day for us to take care of the Zoom. So please, moderators, make sure you make yourselves available. Palm hasn't been here in a couple of days, so he's a big part of helping us out with that. So make sure you guys are sticking around, moderators, right, to cover those Zoom areas. Thank you. Thank you to all of my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. I'll take it. Good enough. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. We got a little over 200 people in here now training and trading with us live. They do have open access to a microphone if you are a paid member. You can ask questions literally all day long. Right now, we are 12 hours a day, 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. for our VIP members. For regular premium members, we're here every day for you from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You will get more training and education than anybody has ever had in the history of stocks, options, futures, or crypto training. Thank you again, everybody, for being here and making us number one in our field. I appreciate you. More bodies will be rolling in the closer we get to 9:30. We are streaming on 2 TikTok accounts today, just so you know. That way you don't think the other one's a scam. So we are on my ADT Coach, which is my personal, and we are also on my secondary account, which is American Dream Trading Inc. So make sure you are following both, because you know how TikTok is. They like to close accounts for no reason, so you always got to have all these multiples and backups. And just so you know, too, between the two of them, there's different videos and training that's going on between the two. So lots of good stuff. If you guys haven't joined us yet on YouTube, I highly recommend it. We have over 2,000 training videos on YouTube. Check it out. American Dream Trading on all the things. Do it. Do it now. If you want to follow me on X, aka the Twitter, it's at ADT Coach. You can tag me in anything going on. Speaking of tagging me in anything going on, because of our 3-year anniversary, we've opened up a very special channel on our Discord called, it says 3-year anniversary. We would love to have your testimonials, anything you've learned, anything that's changed in the last 3 years we've been live. I know we've had at least 20 people right by automobiles, houses, boats, all sorts of stuff. We'd love to see those pictures, things that we can share with the group. I know we've made 14 people millionaires. I'd love for them to come in and talk and be a part, right, of what we've done in the last 3 years. That would be great. So 3-year anniversary right now. We've got about 20 people in there. And I've trained over 1 million people. So I would love to see more people show up for the old man. That'd be great. Head on over there. You can type it in. You can put in a video. You can drag it in there. All sorts of stuff. Good morning. There's the Corbin. Good to see you, buddy. Liao Coffee. Thank you. Glad to have you here. Nunya. Kelly's Need. Good to have you here. Steamy Snaps. I see everybody. Thank you. Thank you for all those subscribers over on TikTok and those gifts. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Let me put up the super chats over here on YouTube. You guys have questions, comments, want us to call out or look at individual or certain stocks, you want us to do anything, it's the easiest and fastest way to do that is throw it up in that super chat. One of my moderators will see it and we'll get to it right away. Appreciate you. Hold on one second. I just got a message. I don't know why. Hold on. Let me look. Okay. Sorry. My wife sending me lovey-dovey stuff. Bang, bang. Everybody be cool. All right. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Setting up the super chats. Now, if you're new here, by the way, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for over 30 years. I will show you all kinds of ways that you can trade in the market. We do everything from swing trading, day trading, investments, 401ks, IRAs, SEPs, traditionals, Roths, name it, we do it. Dividends, day trading, swing trading, wheel option strategy, every different type of options you can imagine, crypto, stocks, name it, we do it. There we go. Super chats are now, super stickers are now posted. You guys can fire away over there on YouTube. Moderators will let me know when we see those. Appreciate all of you. Speaking of appreciation, for our 3-year anniversary today, I opened up 3 3 Diamond Lifetime memberships, 5K. If you missed it last time, this is your chance. Diamond Lifetime membership, access to all of our membership services, including the mentorship and any memberships in the future that we create. Get it right now. When should they get it, everybody?
Yesterday.
Now.
Thank you.
Now.
Thank you.
Now.
Thank you.
Now.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Bruno tells me the tally is we have 293. That's going to be cool. We get over that 300 mark, right? For 3-year anniversary. 293 Diamond Lifetime members. So very nice. 293. Now I know I've given away probably 50 of those, but still, lots of them. Lots of goodies. Get over there. Get it done. Some of you have your VIP or VIP Gold or something, right? Annuals coming up. That's $2,500, gang. You can get the Diamond Lifetime for 5K and be done forever, right? Up to you. All right. Just checking everything, making sure we're cool. Good stuff. We have, what do we have? Today is it Mentorship Wednesday? Is that what we're talking about?
That is correct.
Richard's going to do an amazing job with that, probably.
Probably, quote unquote.
Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be great. Thank you.
We got you covered.
Thank you. You're a hero. You're a hero. We moved that. What time is that now on Wednesdays?
11 o'clock
11 o'clock. Okay.
Eastern time.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Speaking of mentorships, I have one more spot right now for a coach's mentorship. If you've ever wanted to work with me directly for a year straight, now is your chance. That's 3 hours a month. We will schedule it. Basically, what the other two people are doing is, I think three people, is every other week, right? It's probably the best way to do it. You're going to sit with me for an hour and a half for a year. I've never done this before. If you are interested in that, open up a help desk ticket. First come, first serve. That's it. Get over there. Cannot stress how important this could be to you. Right? Have you ever wanted to work with somebody who's been doing this for 33 years? Every aspect of the stock market? I can show you everything, right? Just so you guys know, results not guaranteed. I can guarantee you that the 14 millionaires that we've made, every one of them had one or multiple sessions with me for a one-on-one. Toot, toot, toot my horn about how good I think the service is, but proof's in the pudding. How about this? Has anybody had a one-on-one with me in here? I know I did about 150 of them at one point. Bueller. I know the second I did it with Christina, she made like $60,000 that week.
I dream of it.
Thank you. I'm not exaggerating. I know that Mark, after I did his, he was able to retire from his 9-to-5 job, and he's now made multiple millions of dollars. Same with Palm. Same with Brady. Same with Jimmy. So just saying, it works. It's out
I'm
there.
looking forward to my one-on-one with you, Coach, next week.
Yes, I'm excited.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Be ready. Be ready to have a brain melt.
I'm ready. Trust me.
Now the cool thing with it, just so you guys know, is that the whole thing is recorded, and then I download it to you so you guys can grab it and you guys can watch it obviously as many times as you want. But if you guys are in the scheduled monthly membership with me, right? Mentorship, I should say. You guys will have weekly and bi-weekly access to me. I don't know where else you're going to get that, right? So go over there, get signed up. If you want it, just holler it out, because I'm telling you, when it's gone, it's gone. I can only do so many of them. I can only squeeze in so many. I don't want all my time taken up with that, right? It's not cheap. It's $50K for the year, which takes me about 4 minutes to make trading stocks. So if you're like, oh, it's so expensive. Yeah, but so is my time. My time is valuable, right? I want you to think about that. Mark's doing what, 150,000 plus per day now on average? A day. Per day, every day, right? So time becomes extremely valuable. But again, in results not guaranteed. It's going to be hard, all the things, legal. Come and sign up for it. Do it now. Can't stress it enough. Do it now.
Looking forward to it, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's going to be amazing. We'll track it. We'll trend it. I'm going to have journals for you guys. We're going to have homework that needs to be done. I mean, I'm going to treat this like it's a damn I want you guys to be my success story, so in a year from now I can say, "Hey, that'll be 500,000 a year for these, right?" I'm being dead serious, by the way. That's what I'm doing this for. I want to charge $500,000 to $1 million to people to do what you guys are getting with that. I'm not kidding at all, because I can cater that to the few that obviously can make, tens of hundreds, possibly millions of dollars. So it's going to be no problem for them, right? It's not catered for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So, because I've got people in here now doing 50 million plus a year. How much is that time worth, right? So, anyways, so 919 hot stock picks have already been posted. So is the pre-market setup. IPOs are out there. We are set up for success. Did anybody make any money yesterday? Open your mics. Let the world know if you did.
I did, Coach. Live Apple chat.
Sir. Very good.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Come on, it's interactive. Wake up. You'll be all right. Nobody's going to come after you. Now, if you're at work, I understand. You'll be all right. I just posted VIP members. VIP members. Go to your VIP lounge in the Discord. I just posted you some amazing information about some high yield dividends that we talk about all the time. Go over there and look. Think you might like it. You might like it a lot. It's payday, baby. Very nice.
Oh yeah, Coach.
Yes. Yes. Got about 9 minutes to the bell. Has anybody made any money yet this morning? Anybody at all?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, Coach.
Yes. Good job.
Hey, Coach,
No.
where'd you post the yield information?
It is in the VIP lounge and Discord.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Now, if you guys were here yesterday, I did this live. SPY was our only trade that we did yesterday, at least that we were talking about. Obviously, Apple 2-minute EWO, and people were doing the things that they were doing. What was the A+ setup yesterday for SPY? Tell me, what was the level?
Below 638, Coach.
638.
Thank you so much.
And if you look at SPY yesterday, below 638, did it ever come back?
Nope.
No.
It stayed down there, and that's it.
Your
Yep.
voice was an
View up.
account changer, Coach. Your voice.
Thank you. It got to 634.34 and closed at 635.26. So if you
Yeah.
got in on the A+ setup, which was given to you, it was spoon-fed right to your face. It was intravenously put into and injected into your arms, thrown at you. It was tattooed onto your face, right? It said no regrets. It said execute and no regrets, right? That's what it said. That was what the tattoo said. At least that's what I told the tattoo parlor to put on there. If you guys got like the winged dragon and whatever else when you were in the line, I don't know what to tell you. Right?
And it stayed under the 9, too. It was beautiful.
Did you hear that? Nana got her tattoo that said
American Dream Trading, yes.
Yes, spit it out. Go ahead.
On her
You,
forehead.
Coach.
I'm over here just going crazy while people are actually trying to be serious. They're like, well, so wait, what are you saying? What tattoo? What? I don't call stuff out. Shut up, old man, and call it stocks out. I'm like, people got no regrets tattoos. All right, enough. Stop being a Richard.
I didn't hear when you said I could remove that inline tube, and I still have it there.
Yeah, it's still there, right? It's still there. Now we're gonna pour some Fago in that. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. Some
Wait, what'd you
sody,
call me?
some sody pop. Nolasco says, yeah, we want to hear about stocks. Yes, that's my favorite. Oh my gosh. In case you're new here, by the way, welcome. Appreciate you. We got to be closing in on about $400 million in profits while we're over here talking about no regrets. We are the most successful and largest stock market education community the world has ever seen before. While we're over here making little jokey jokes. So yesterday, who got in SPY? I told you about 8,000 times. Who got in SPY? Tell me now who executed the plan on the A+, the only A+ setup that we had for the day. Tell me now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
did.
Yes,
Coach.
sir. 3 trades.
Yep.
It's so beautiful.
Very nice. Very
300
nice.
365%.
Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear that? That's incredible. How long did you hold on to that, partner?
Till I was blue in the face.
Oh my gosh. You are an amazing
No,
human
it was-
being. Was
I
it?
actually I followed the rules and I shed 50, 20, 20, 10.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, didn't I go into a tangent yesterday for a whole hour straight about following the rules, right?
Yeah, and I could have made more, but I was okay with it. It's stuck in my brain.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. It's absolute. What? Now listen.
Do you mean like listening could really benefit?
Oh, it's incredible. And the best part of that, right, is that feeling with the last 10% just going ballistic, right? When your last 10% is equating to the first 50%, right? And now you have zero risk. It's like, wow. Am I right?
100%.
Easier for sure.
Yep. So today, now listen, I got offline yesterday and I whooped some ass for an hour straight. Hopefully today that will pay off and you will have listened, because otherwise, so I didn't sell any services. Nobody was listening to the old man as I'm going on a rant, right? That was for you. That was not for me. I can tell you, when it's for me, we're marketing. That's how I get paid. The 99.9% when I'm doing everything else, that is for you, right? That was all for you. So I hope today you take your heads out of your butts and we do the work today. Yes? Okay. That's nice.
Amen.
Thank you. Appreciate you. We're going to follow all the rules. Not some of your own. You don't get to sprinkle in make-believe bullshit. None of that. Follow my rules, please. It's all about risk management. Thank you for those follows and those gifts over here on the TikToks and the backup. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for those new subscribers. Do we got any super chats that I need to call out? Super chat moment. Do. Moderators, we got any super chats I need to call out for YouTubes?
Nothing yet, Coach.
Nothing yet. Okay, thank you. All right, gang. Hope you're ready to rock and roll. We got about 2 minutes, 40 seconds. I'm sorry, 1 minute, 40 seconds. And we will be ready to terminate this market. We don't care if it goes up. We don't care if it goes down. I don't give a shit what it does at all. Doesn't matter. We will trade the trades. It's funny, I saw some of the little kids at TikToks driving their Lambos around like, I'm not trading this week, it's choppy. That's the funniest shit I've ever heard in my life. Who gives a shit if it's choppy? If only you had a mentor that could train you how to trade in every market condition, am I right? Choppy. Welcome to the market, little kids at TikTok. Am I right?
Doesn't fit their ICT model, Coach.
It really doesn't. The Orb ICT hypersonic levels of, right? None of it does not compute.
Upside down coffee maker.
Latte, be an upside down latte, mochaccino. with foam swirls and bullshit. Listen, we're just here to get it done, right? We're over here talking about trading in the weeds and in the clouds and shit, but we're making hundreds of $1,000,000. Am I right? Shit.
Coach.
Tell me. 10 seconds. Love your face. You guys ready to do this? Come on. 5 seconds. Woo! Let's go. Nice hat. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here, by the way. Nolasco. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Thank you for being here. All right, here we go. Spy with a pullback right out of the gate. I'm going to do some micro
Tesla,
trading.
new high day, going strong.
Thank you. Is that Tesla?
Yeah,
All right, thank you.
look at that thing.
Thank you. Yeah, that's beautiful after yesterday's trauma, right? Everybody, oh no, it's going to go to 0. Now, everybody be cool. Remember, the first 3 minutes of the market open is the hardest. Don't get all crazy. Apple did what Apple's doing, right? It's been doing this for weeks. It pops big time in the open, and then it pulls back, right? It keeps doing that. Don't be fooled by that nonsense. There goes SPY. SPY trying to go from green to red to open 20 cents, 16, 10, 15 to close of previous day. Right now.
Yeah, SPY's on the double bottom.
Yep. Sitting there right now. Watching that level. SPY's just sitting here on support. Oh, I gotta sell it. Coach, come on. Come on, buddy. Work with me here. It's going small, micros. Had a nice setup on the bounce. Of course, I clicked the wrong button. Hence why I'm doing micros today, so I don't make any stupid mistakes and give up a bunch of money for no reason. There we go. Boom, I'll take it. Beautiful. Beautiful setup on that bounce. Long dot on support. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Wouldn't you know it, when the whole world, right, is wanting to short it, we're over here longing it. Why? Because it's on support. Beautiful, beautiful setup. We're now looking for the breakthrough to the downside. 15 cents still on SPY. Apple staying up above. Third 2-minute EWO, but please be careful. Please don't get all crazy on Apple. It's got to stay above this 212 area, right? Pre-market high. All right, we're over here dancing right now. 10 seconds, or 10 cents, I should say, on SPY for the previous day close. Still bouncing on support. This is technically still support, right, gang? Okay, good. Waiting for it to break through there. If anybody sees anything, please call it out. For options trading, do you recommend 0-day expiration? If you're going to get rid of them by around noon, you can do them, right? Otherwise, theta or time decay is going to start kicking in on that. So be cool, Apple user, all right? Good question. Keep them questions and comments coming. I love answering that stuff. Look at that. There's your bounce on support. Did I save anybody's life who tried to short that? Anybody?
Made me money on calls.
Nice
Yes,
job.
you did, boss.
Thank you. Good job, everybody. Listen, I know it's hard because it's going against everything that you're seeing, right? You're like, oh, I'm going to short it. It's going to crash. No, you're not. It's support, right?
Tesla has pulled all the way back to the open.
Thank you. Isn't that funny? If you are going to day trade, you literally have to go against the grain sometimes. And it's the hardest thing in your brain to do it because you're just getting that FOMO, right? I know. That's why I'm here. I'll help you out. Had to bounce all the way back up to VWAP, which is now resistance. Right? At least on my ES, sorry. For you guys, you just bounced all the way up to the 200, and that's resistance. So standing on SPY between the 200 and VWAP. Dangerous spot. Don't be diddling in the middle, right? Let it figure it out. All right. Just waiting for this to make a move. If you guys have any call outs, 2-minute EWOs, especially on the first indicator, please let us all know.
Meta's on its third 2-minute red, but it's right at a gold level at 700.
Oh, perfect. Good call out. Thank you.
NVIDIA new high day.
Thank you.
AMD first green.
Nice. Thank you. Great call outs. Waiting on SPY here now. Again, sitting at this 200. Can see pre-market high was 636.50. Apple, you guys are still sitting on that 212. That's why I told you to be careful at 212, right? Still sitting there on that 212. Still waiting on SPY here. It cannot break this 200 yet.
It's not moving.
Nope.
Jesus.
Not at all.
It's stuck there.
Yep, still stuck at the 200. Apple still cannot break and hold that 212. Do you see it, everybody? It's a dangerous spot for you to be over there with Apple. I'm over here waiting for SPY to pull back. But listen, I got to take my bias out of it. It's above VWAP, right? Above VWAP. I don't want to short it. I've got the 200 right here. I need to be patient. Is everybody following me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you still can't ignore that long term. It's a huge uptrend for SPY, right?
Correct. But I don't have to worry about that bias at the open. I'm just gonna let it work its magic. There goes Apple going from green to red on Apple. Green to red on Apple. SPY needs to get some volume and get pushed up if it's gonna run here. I've got a level at 636.18 up to that 636.50. Technically, it has that 636.50 to be a double top for a pullback, but this is so weak right here. I don't want to touch this. I don't want to short it. I mean, mentally, I want to short it. I'm not going to short it because it's long side right now, right? So I've got to be patient. Here comes the pullback. Sitting on VWAP. Now I'm going to short it. See if it's got a little more room. Sitting right on VWAP there, right, gang? What you gonna do? It's technically on VWAP. Like I said, you guys see why I wanted to short it up there? How it was weak? And the whole world thought it was upside, right?
Tesla first 2-minute red.
I have double bottom on SPY at 635.50.
You're right, Coach. I can't believe the way that you miraculously called that out. You have a superior brain. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Can we
Checks.
get that aluminum ADT hat?
I don't know why I
AMD 2
followed your
minute to the
voice, Coach.
upside.
It made me whole account 2%. Thank you on that put.
Nice job. Apple. Apple is gone none nights. Did I save anybody telling you about that 212? I did not like that setup, right?
That's right.
Thank you. Told you that thing has been nutto land, right? It's every day. It's been opening to the upside and then taking a dump. Same nonsense, right? Every day. Still waiting on SPY here. Stop me out for a small L. Flat from the first trade, but it's just sitting here. I want to see more of a pull. If it's going to pull, I want to get down in and break previous day close, right? That's what I'm looking for.
Google new high day.
Thank you. Let me check the Qs. Oh yeah, Qs are staying up. So tech stocks are staying up. Hence why it's holding SPY up here. Come on, baby. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you
Been a
gonna
pretty easy
do?
ride in NQ today, Coach.
All right. When the coach comes for you. There we go. Come on, flush. Do something, right? Little dab will do you here. Put that above VWAP. Still technically, oh, it's getting a pop here. Okay. No, it's fighting it. Come on. Yeah, Qs are barely hanging on over there. The Qs are only up 0.2%. Nvidia.
Volume is just not there.
Nope. Nvidia's got a nice stair step to the upside.
Canada is going to announce their interest rate in about 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you. There we go. There's that pullback I was looking for. Come on, keep going. Yes, that's better. That's nice. Bye-bye. See you later. The whole world was screaming that wanted to go to the upside, am I right? No. Apparently, coach is not right at all.
It's like you live in the Matrix, Coach.
I know it. It's crazy. Take it. I was going to sell it right there, in case you guys were wondering what I was doing. I was going to sell it on my 635.58. I was like, I'll let it sit in there. I'm still in a free green trade. And if it would have collapsed, I would have made more money. So it was me deciding between do I want to take the guaranteed down there or see if there's going to be more coming out of it. And I left it and took half the profits basically instead of the full amount. But it is what it is. It's a free trade. It's a green trade. It's all that really matters, right, gang? String
Yes,
a bunch of those up together and you're doing real nice. Google still heading to the upside. Boy, everybody collected on SoFi, didn't they? Wow. Everybody took their money out of that. It got to 25 bucks yesterday. Sitting at 21 now. Soxel still staying up strong around $28. That's beautiful. We called that out at what, $7? Called SoFi out at around 657 bucks. Same thing. Nvidia, of course, up here on these 52-week highs at 177.4 trillion dollar company.
VWAV is halted 825.
Thank you. Is that a hot stock pick? All right, we're back up here on the ceiling again. 638.18. We are above VWAP and above the 200 here. I'm going to go small. Small, 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 just because we're up on the ceiling. See if it's got a little more push.
All big seven have green candles right now.
Yep, yep. Come on, a little more. There we go. Trades protected, free trade. There we go. That's nice. Come on, a little more.
Gosh, there goes Tesla.
Looking in it. Yep, I see it. Come on, get that pop. Keep going. Free trade either way. There we go. Come on, spike. I want to see it break. There it goes. That 638.18. I want to see it. I want to see it make a run to 69. Only if it can stay above my 636.18.
Be careful on the cues. Testing pre-market high, double top.
Oh, thank you. SPY sitting at one of my major resistance levels, 636.18. Why me says expect Nvidia to keep running. We don't expect anything like that. Anybody who expects anything to keep running is expecting to lose all their money and should not be trading real cash.
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition.
No, never expect anything. No bias, right? Trade the trade. Somebody was humming. I got it, moderators. Like the unknown comic, it's the unknown hummer. Somebody's in there humming. Who is it? Humming, humming, humming. Who is it? Good morning, says James from North Dakota. Good morning. Good to see you, buddy. Glad to have you all here. You guys are watching on my backup account. Make sure you guys are also following me, ADT Coach and American Dream Trading Inc. for TikTok. Thank you. Oh, look at SPY just collapse. Was that Canada news?
No rate change in Canada.
Well, that should be good for the market. Not bad. People don't like unexpected anything, right? Should be good for market. I don't know what that knee-jerk red candle was. Probably fearful that ours is going to stay the same. Guess what, gang? Ours is going to stay the same next time, right? They already been saying it. Are you guys trading options on Tesla? We do have some people trading options on Tesla, yes.
SPY is just, I don't like it.
Nana. So
I'm just
SPY,
waiting. I'm waiting for my perfect setup, and I'm not saying it.
so SPY's channel is exactly 636.18 to 635.58, everybody, right? I had this marked before. I had this marked before the bell rang. Am I right? That's our channel we're sitting in. Just waiting for it to make a move one way or the other.
I think the market just pulled back because Canada might not be the 51st state.
Might not. There might be
Might-
some, yeah, there might be some
might be
blowback from
something
that.
else.
Yeah. I like picking on my Canadian brethren and sisters, though, over there doing that. Remember, I lived in Michigan almost my whole life, so we were always in Canada. But I love picking on them. Kind of like Mark over there in stinky Ohio.
Come on, Spy. A little bit more.
Come on, break this 635.58. Come on, break this.
I'm right with you on that one. Do something.
There we go. Come on, baby, break. Sitting on support, gang. Be careful. We don't short it on support yet, everybody in the room, right?
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Right here. Wait. Let's see if we can get this to pull through. There it is. I'm in it. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on, keep going. Yeah. Bye-bye. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's got at least this 635.40 is what it's showing. Not a lot of room here. Let me look. 38, yeah, to 40-ish. Not a ton of room there. But it is respecting that level, so I like it.
If only NVIDIA can pull, that will help Spy to go down.
Yeah, Qs are now below VWAP as well on the 2-minute. You guys see that? SPY is 25 cents from previous close of day. Yeah, keep coming. Come on.
Kitty, come on.
It's just sitting here. Qs are, again, below VWAP on the 2-minute. SPY is stair-stepping down, but remember, everybody remember, it's got support coming up, so be cool here, right? It's not a lot of room. There we go. Take a small win. It's got more. There it goes. Bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. 12 cents. Support 31. Yeah, it had 29 before. So I said it didn't have a lot of meat on the bones. I took my money. Anybody make any money on that little move? I know it wasn't a ton. We didn't have a lot of room.
Beautiful.
Yep, it was small but mighty.
I love those support bounces.
Yeah, that's nice. Good job. Way to scoop that up, right? That's a nice micro double bottom there from the open. Right back up to our 58 pullback. Look at that. That's nice, right? New channel unlocked.
Needs to eat those wicks.
Yep, 58 to 31 is what we're looking at now. 58 to 31 is the new channel. Longer this sits down in this channel too, that 9 will come right down. Stay in there. I want it to stay down there. Like I said, if you guys have been trading long enough, you will all become bears. When you first start trading, all you want is the market to go up in green days. After you've been in the market for a while, you just love bloody red crash out, right? Straight to hell days. They're the best. The best.
It is so true.
Yep. It's like, yeah, keep going, crash, burn, right? And you see him go faster and stop losses break. And people are like, no, and they're panicking. And just, shoom, 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 shoom. You're like, yeah.
Escalator up, elevator down.
Yep. So funny. And then everybody's like, what do you mean you can make money when the market's going down, right? That's the first thing you'll hear. Am I right? $58 to $31 channel on SPY. Anything else moving, gang?
Meta's ready to break this 700.
Thank you.
Tesla fighting green to red under VWAP.
Thank you.
Good morning, Big Chief. What's
Hey,
up, everybody?
good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Just over here making gazillions of dollars.
Editing you, making gazillions of dollars, and now watching you
Yay!
live, making gazillions of dollars.
Yeah. Crap.
What's on your screen?
It is. I'm just bouncing around looking at some hot stock picks right now.
Well, what's that climbing?
That was XBP. Check out REPL. That's in a good spot, waiting for a nice setup. REPL. Look for the break of 635, gang. Mark it. Put it on your little alerts. Sorry, give me 1 second here. So REPL, everybody pay attention to that too, right? SPY coming back down. Remember our channel's that 58 to 31 still, okay? Oh, we had a super chat, moderators. Super chat came in. J-Dog, love your face, coach. Everyone is extremely lucky to be here. Oh, thank you, J-Dog. Sorry we missed your super chat, buddy. We got you. We got you.
J-Dog.
All right, give me 1 second. Sorry, I've got another screen up here. One second. What's it doing, gang? Sorry, I've got another screen up.
Coach, do you care to look at SMCX?
Yep, give me just 1 second. Hold on, almost done. Sorry, I gotta take this message. I'm trying to get it. 1 second.
Anybody knows if we have news at 10?
10 o'clock news, anybody?
I'm watching. I haven't seen anything.
Thank
I
you.
don't see anything. We have home sales at 10.
Sales.
Home sales, there you go.
Pending home sales month over month and year over year.
Got it. Thank you, partner. What was that stock you wanted me to look at? I'm sorry, I had another thing going over there. What was it?
SMCX.
SMCX is an X-ray.
Correct.
Yep, I see it. Looks good. 9.5. This is a really low volume. 537K. Just be careful on that volume, but it looks like it's always low. You are on a double top at 73.87. So as long as you can stay above 73.87, right, you'll be looking good. Just be careful around that, right? So that's technically 74, right? Double top, 74. Be careful right there. Dangerous level to be at.
Shift change, 20 seconds.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it, partner.
Coach, don't forget about FOMC at 2, and then we got earnings for several big companies at starting at 4.
Thank you. Is today interest rate decision day?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
U.S.
you.
interest rate decision at 2 as well.
Yep.
What time is that?
2 o'clock. So
2
get
o'clock.
ready for
Nice.
get ready for craziness, right?
2 o'clock statement, 2:30 press question and answer.
Yep.
I got a pretty comprehensive list, Coach. You want me to put that in the membership lounge?
Please. Thank you, partner.
Hey, Coach, XBP keeps moving up 124% now.
Oh, nice. X hot stock pick. XBP. It is a hot stock pick right before I go yelling this out.
I don't think it was.
Anybody? Bueller?
I don't think it was a hot speak.
XBP. Nope. We're going to add it now. Added. Yeah, it's because it looks like it didn't start taking off till 9:46. So news was not relevant this morning. That's why. They're like Pokemon. We try to catch them all, but sometimes you can't, right? If it comes out after the bell, there's nothing we can do about that. We've already posted them an hour ago. At this point, an hour and a half ago.
Pending home sales for June were minus 0.8% versus 0.2% estimate.
Up or down? So what was it?
Down.
Up or down from
Down.
estimates. Okay, thank you. Which we knew. Can anybody tell me why house sales are not moving?
Because rates
We're
haven't
waiting for
moved.
interest rates.
That's right. The interest rates are still too high.
But
Coach,
overall debt position as well.
Doesn't mortgage look at the 10-year?
It does. But if interest rates were back down, everybody and their brother would be buying right now. Everybody would be buying, even with home sales prices being higher. And I'm going to be honest with you guys about home sale prices, by the way. And this is going to sound terrible, but they're where they should have been 15 years ago. Just saying. Home sale prices were not going up the way they should have. Typical appreciation for homes are 4 to 7%, and they weren't really moving. So we just kind of got blasted with it all at once during Rona and all that garbage. So if you guys are expecting home sales to go, prices to go down, I don't know what to tell you, because that ain't happening, Chief. That's just my little TED Talk. Thank you. Thank you for being here. So you got to get the interest rates down. Why? Because if the average home is $437,000, but you're paying over 7% on the interest rate, right? You're paying about $4,500, probably $4,500 per month. But guess what? You get your interest rates back down to that lower 6, you guys will only be paying about $3,600, which is in line for what it should be right now, believe it or not. Why? Because you guys can now make money out of thin frickin' air. That's why. Right? When everybody starts crying about, oh, it's hard to get a job. You don't need to get a job like you used to have to get a job. Now we have gig economies. Everything is online. Hell, you could Uber Eats. You could DoorDash. Right? You could get online. You could make some thumbnails. You could sell something to somebody. You could get on Fiverr.com. Be like, yeah, I'll be a receptionist for you. You could do anything now, right? It ain't about like, oh, I got to go send out a resume and hope I get this job out of 6,000 people applying. If you're doing that, where have you been the last 20 years of technology? Come and see the coach. Come and see me, right? So that money can just now be made out of thin air. It's nutto land. XBP, 144%. REPL could not break 635 and lights out, right? You see how it never broke 635, right, gang? Good. Everybody's butt hurt because I said house prices aren't coming down. But coach, I wanted to buy another house. Well, pay the price.
SMCI is stepping up all morning.
Thank you. And I got another thing coming for you. Those of you that are waiting for house prices to come down, who's in that camp? I know people like, I'm just waiting for house prices to come down. I know you're there. Don't try to hide. I know you. You're already there. Tell me, who is it? Come on, one person, say it. Come on, I know you're there. You don't want to admit it. All right, since you're lurking in the shadows, SPY bouncing off our support again, 635.31. Let me tell you a little story. When everybody was telling me not to buy our house that we bought in November, which, by the way, Richard, was the highest interest rate in the last 30 years, the exact month we bought our house. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Yep. And everybody's like, oh my gosh, don't do it. You need to wait. Oh, that's foolish. Don't do it. Interest rates are... Let me tell you something. Our house has already appreciated, not the other way, over $100,000 since we bought our house a year and a half ago. During the worst interest rate time when everybody said no, while you're all expecting home prices to fall, my house has gone up 100 grand. So guess what? Now those of you that are still waiting, good luck. Am I right?
You're right, but Coach, I will share that I bought my custom home here in Arkansas at 2.5% fixed 30-year.
You son of a...
Booyah!
You son of a... Beep, beep, beep.
You know, it's like a stock play. When you see it making the move, you need to be able to pull the trigger.
It's true. Now, here's a fun fact, Richard. Now that I've got all that equity in the home out of doing literally nothing other than buying it when everybody said don't do it because I'm not a dipshit and I know what's going on in the financial market. Let me tell you a little story, Richard. So now,
story about a man named Chad.
Yeah. Named Now listen, so what I did is I just went in and did a refi on it, right, to get my interest rate lower. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Which costed me about, I want to say it was about, I think it was like $18,000 in fees, because guess what? You got to pay the fees. Okay.
Yeah.
So I paid my 18, super lowered my interest rate, and still made out with over $80,000 in equity doing literally nothing other than going, I want that house. I'll take it. I know house prices aren't coming down. And I told you guys it was going to be forever before them interest rates lower. Do you remember me saying that?
And whoever thinks house prices are coming down just doesn't understand housing.
Oh, not at all. Not at all. And there's still a shortage. And now we have more people.
Way big shortage.
Oh, yeah. Now we have more people in America that has ever been here, which means now we're even more house shortage than it's ever been before. And you think house prices are coming down because of what? Because you want it to come down?
Watch SPY, Coach. Watch SPY.
Thank you. Anyway, so little financial conversation for those of you that are still sitting there going, I don't know. Well, I told you a year and a half ago. So that's that.
And just compare the money that you're putting into the house, which is yours, versus renting, which is going in the toilet.
That is absolutely right. But then, then people are like, yeah, but then you got to buy a roof. And what if you're AC? And Who gives a shit? All that money you guys are throwing into your rent for the next 30, 40, 50, 60 years, you will have nothing to show for it. So even if it did cost you more money to actually own the home, you now have equity though, right?
Correct.
You want to walk away with $500,000, $1 million, $2 million in a home that you will own outright at some point? Or do you want it 30, 40, 50 years from now when you got to go move into your senior living and you own nothing, right? What do you want to do?
Let me see my magic 8 ball. Do I want to stay poor
It
or
drives
do I
me
want to go
nuts.
forward?
Yeah, when I see these clowns, all these fake gurus are like, oh, I wouldn't buy a house. I don't buy a house. So stupid. Get out of here. Just stop. It's the same kids on Wall Street who said the market was going to crash. The same people that said tariffs aren't going to work. It's the same people with all the shit that don't have a clue that you guys should not be listening. There is one place to go that has been dead accurate, by the way, for 3 years straight, never failed, not once ever. 3 years straight, never, not one thing ever. Nino.
Could that be
There it is.
ADT.com?
Thank you. Not financial tax or investment advice, but we haven't been wrong yet on one thing ever, not one time ever. Okay, that's nice. Good job. We're batting 1,000 over here. We're getting it done. That's what we do. Watching for the break of SPY. 635.58 to get back into that channel to 31. 35
SPY
support.
is playing with me.
Yep, and it's on that level of support that we marked out before the bell rang of 58. Everybody, yes? Okay.
Yep.
Good.
Yash Matash.
Good job. So I don't know. Either listen to the little kids on TikTok or this old balding man who hasn't been wrong yet in 3 years straight on anything that I've ever said, ever. Don't forget to get those Diamond Lifetime memberships. Speaking of forever. You like that, Richard? $5,000. $5,000 lifetime memberships. Get over there.
Buy him now. He needs that toupee.
That's right. I got to get that. The toupee. The toupee. Hell yeah. Absolutely. You guys think I'm kidding? I might come in here with some funky, swaggered, crazy hairdo. All right, here we go. Come on, baby.
Want it to flush with some authority.
Yeah, I want that 58. I want to get back into the 58 31 channel.
Yeah.
Coach, you ought to get you a Joe Dirt wig.
Yeah, Joe Dirte. I like the way you roll, partner. Come on, you're down there. Get down there, bleed out. I'll give you plenty of room. Plenty of room to work with here. Gosh, it's already a 10:15. I swear, man, this job, this is
Time
why
flies when you're having fun, Coach.
it goes so fast. It's crazy. Does anybody else feel like our time together every day goes just super fast? Maybe it's just me. They're like, I can't get this old guy to shut up. Just call it a stock, old man. Nobody gives a shit about financials or long-term investment or millionaire life hacks. We don't give a shit. We want $17. You call that stock out. You shut your mouth. You stop telling us how to make millions of dollars. We don't give a shit. I paid my $50.
That's not true. Stop it.
We love
And for those that are wiser, join the mentorship today.
Oh, yes.
And get some knowledge. And on the mentorship, you can ask whatever question you want, and we will answer to the best of our ability.
Absolutely. And by the way, Richard, who's going to be running that today. Richard, you want to give them a little bit of your background, but listen, everybody, not financial, tax, or investment advice. But Richard, you want to tell them how long you've been in finances?
I've been in since 1994, and I was trained in Spain for working for an institution. And I came to Coach because he gave me not just doing long-term trades, but how to do whatever the market is dealing with and taking advantage of the ups and downs. It's like having another golf club in your bag.
Absolutely. And guess who now today is going to be doing your mentorship class with all of that information since 1994? Richard. Don't I put the best people in the best places at the best time to help all of you do the things? Am I right? Huh?
I'm also
Hair
what do
club
they call it?
president.
Handicapped
You're also the hair club president of
percentage.
the toupee gang
Oh,
members.
my hair is so thin it ain't even funny. I paid to go get a haircut, and they said, "Do you want me to cut both of them?"
All three of those need to come off or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
And one of them was on your chin. Like, damn it.
Yeah. No, it's like as you get older, the hair on the top goes away, but the hair in the ears
Oh yeah,
goes
oh yeah,
bigger.
and eyebrows. They're like, you want me to cut your eyebrows? I'm like,
Yeah, they do
eyebrows?
that. They do that. Yes, they do that.
What do you mean eyebrows? Just a haircut. They're like, well, okay, it's on you. I'm like, what?
Yeah, they're funny.
Am I right? Like, come on.
dropped and stuck to my back.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Yeah, in the olden days, right, where they'd barely pull your collar down to shave your neck, and now they gotta like rip your shirt off to get the back like you're a freaking bear,
Yeah,
right?
and then they go, oh, do you want it in a curve or do you want it straight? It's like I just want to cut, okay?
Yeah, just cut
Jeez
it.
Louise.
Cut it and don't talk to me. Do the things. Oh,
Dang,
look at Spy.
SPY.
There it goes. There it goes.
I know, now the other way, flip it. Needs to hold here. Just hold.
It's
Right
up on
there.
it's on the 200.
Yep.
Looking for a break and hold of the 200. I'll long it if it does. Come on, get up there. Get on up. By the way, all my nerdles, I have a new watch coming in today.
Are you ever going to sell the fake one that you got that broke right away?
Which one was that? Oh no, that one was real actually. That one they replaced. That one was real.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was a Breitling. That one was legit. They
No,
sent me a
before the
brand new one.
Breitling. Before the Breitling, you had a fake Rolex.
Oh no, the Rolex is still going, buddy. That thing.
Yeah, well, I want to buy that one.
Yeah. No, I would. You know what's funny? I would not sell that in a million years. There's
I
no
know.
way. I paid.
Oh, this is looking good. We have a break.
I'm looking for a break of the
It's looking
200
good
though.
above the 200 on the 2-minute.
That Rolex, I paid $350 for that son of a. I would never give that up. And it's funny when we do like, well, now I have the Breitling. That's a lot of money. But if I was going on my trips and stuff, it was great because if somebody robbed me, they didn't take shit. You know what I mean? It's like a proxy jewelry.
Yeah, I had heard that actually you're supposed to carry like a fake phone and a fake wallet so that
Well,
if you
yeah,
get
there's a
robbed, you
lot
give
of
them
stuff.
that and then
Yeah.
they run.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Like my wife won't wear her diamond rings and you know what I mean? Like none of that crap when we go to New York because you don't know, right? In your big city,
You don't
shaking
know.
hands and
Yeah.
weird stuff. I'm not, no, I'm good. That's why I loved the Rolex, man. It was a throwaway. If somebody stole it, be like, here, you want another one? You know, feed your family with it. Here, take two, you know?
Oh, so you're saying for me to get that one, I got to drive up there and steal it from you?
Yeah, you got to still it.
Steal it.
Yep.
Steal it.
You got to still it. Good luck. You're going to get it easy.
It's not breaking
It's
that
the
200.
principle of the
Dang it.
thing. Yeah, the 200's got to break. Yeah, I love that Breitling though. That's beautiful. I wear that every weekend. I don't wear it during the day, right? Normal, I just wear a smartwatch typically, but on every weekend I wear, a nicer watch.
I think that particular watch was really built for pilots.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's the C version. You know how they have both?
Right, correct, for
Yeah,
depth
this
and
one's for
different things like
diving
that.
and
Right. Diving, yeah.
Yep. Love that watch though. Oh my gosh, I love it. Then I know people's like, Breitling, why don't you get up? Shut up. Get whatever the hell I want. Why would you get them? Right? Like I love the Omegas. I love the Tudors. I love all of them.
But question,
Yeah.
because it's a diving watch, isn't there a part of you that wants to test it to go down in a pool or something? I
No.
mean, for me, that would be.
Yeah, maybe. All right, here we go. Here we
Oh,
go.
there
Let's,
we go. Come on,
yeah,
come
let's
on.
see if we can get this pop. Come on, baby. 12 seconds. If this forms a new candle above, I'll get into it. If it doesn't, I won't, because then it'll be a fake out up here. But I want to see a new.
Needs to eat that wick there. Yeah.
Yep, I'm in it. I'm gonna move my stop above below the 9. There we go. That's nice. That's a confirmation candle right there, and you put your stop just below the 9, and you guys are covered. Now you have minimal risk with a huge reward, right, gang? There it goes. Boom. Bye-bye. There it is, all the way up to 18.
That's a ceiling right there.
Yes, it is. So I'm moving my stop tighter because if it's going to pull back, it's going to be here. Still allowing it to work now. Now right here, right? Boom, it just went off. I was going to say I could take my 80%. I could take the full thing. We already knew 636.18 before the bell rang was going to be a level that we wanted to watch for. And it hit 636.17 and pulled back, right?
Yep, I'm still in it.
Oh, nice job. Like I said, take some, take all, do whatever. But I know that's a major level. Yeah, go ahead.
Major.
Did you shut down the ADT TikTok?
Nope. Did it go offline? Yep, it
Yes,
did.
sir.
Thank you, partner. Thank you. Is the
Yep,
other one?
I'm out.
Oh, the other one's still running. The backup's still running. I love that.
Soon as it hit 50% of that gamma candle, that's where I was. I'm out.
Nice job. I'm not even going to turn the other one back on. I'll leave the backup account. That'll teach people to go over to the backup, right? If the main one goes down, go to the backup. What do I teach all of you? Redundancy. The backup of the backup of the backup of the backup, right?
That's why I asked if it was intentional.
Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate you.
That's why I asked if it.
Right?
So to cause somebody to kick us out, because it's just a pain in the butt, is that like just any complaint they can kick us out?
Yeah, it just depends. It's all random, weirdo, algorithmic. So right now, TikTok doesn't like stocks. They don't want you talking about stocks, none of that stuff. So, Repple. All right, who got in that above 635?
Yes, sir.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
coach.
Nice work.
Shed half the double top, hanging
Oh,
out.
oh my gosh. What are you, a bunch of geniuses in here? Huh? You guys, love your faces. Now, did anybody's alarm go off and then you jumped over there and was like, oh crap?
No, but
No,
somebody
I've
just
been in
said
and
I
out of
should
it
have
since
re-entered and
4.
didn't.
You've been in and out of it? Okay, good.
Yeah, since 4 this morning.
Nice job. Look at Spy making that nice
Fine.
move. Now, who got in with that on the long with me once it broke and we had a candle confirmation? Anybody?
I did.
50 contracts.
I did.
Nice job. Did anybody make any good money on that?
I made
I
some
did.
money.
$50.
Nice job.
I'm just sad I didn't re-enter when it broke again. I got taken out on the pullback, and now
Well, you
look at
still
that.
got room up to 69. That's what it's looking for. I had that in my level mark from yesterday, so we still got a lot of room. There it is. It just hit it. Oh, sorry, I was looking at my ES. So it's at 636.46. Now, this
Yeah.
is a double top pre-market high right now, gang. See it? Everybody in the
Yeah.
room?
Yep.
Okay, good. Shorten it now.
Puts at resistance, calls at support. Sing it along.
Yep. Now I'm going to give this some room to breathe. So we'll go here, 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 here. Got to have room for the wick. Now it's a little different because what I'm trading. But if it decides to go long, I'll get stopped out. Boom, I'll move it into a long. And we'll ride it that way. That's how that works, right?
I have my stop at 6:30.
Oh, there it goes.
25.
Yep, it's ripping. Boom, I'm the other way. See if we can stay up there. Hopefully my wick was. Hopefully it wasn't like there. Oh, there it goes. Hopefully it wasn't like a fake wick. It's harder with ES because you don't know how long the candles go because I'm usually trading NQ. So I don't know like if it's a fake wick or how long in the candle. That's why another reason, gang, why it's so important for all of you to trade the same trades, right? The same stocks so you get a feel of how they work. I mean, like right
You mean
now,
to learn how to trade what you're trading?
yes, because I'm kind of like flying blind with ES. I never trade ES. I'm always NQ. So I'm kind of feeling it out. Another reason why I'm super small with micros today.
Plus, SPY likes to play with you.
Yep. Yeah, and SPY hit this double
They'll-
top.
They'll push it back like it's really going, and then pull the rug out.
Yep, exactly. So now you guys saw what I did, right? I tried to short it. I got stopped out. I went long. It did go green. It wasn't super green, but I wanted to stay up there. So we're still now trying to see, okay, is this the true double top pullback, which it looks like it is?
Yeah.
Yep. So it wicked me out, but it was a double top pullback. So it just wicked me out. And then I went long because I'm not used to these candles, which ES candles are looking pretty long, and I got burned both ways. It can happen, man. This is trading, right?
Yeah.
The idea was there. The execution wasn't that great, only because I didn't really understand. So what is this, 17? I mean, that's a $2
No,
move.
sometimes you
So,
can execute 100% correctly and still lose because it turns on you. People who think that you can never lose, they just don't understand the business.
Well, and like this, right? So the double top was actually 636.50, right, gang?
That's what I had. Yep.
Yep. And it went to 67 and pulled back. So 17-cent variance. But I was trading ES. Now everybody in this room knows my variance is how big on SPY?
20 to 40 cents.
There it is. 20 to 40 cents. So if I was trading SPY, if it is 50, that means it could be up to 90. So it'd be right there would be my variance, right? So if I was doing a double top setup, it would look like this. Just like it would be, oh, let me get this out of here. Just like, sorry, I'm working in this little tiny area. Let me move this. Hold on. Just like if it's upside variance, that means also downside. So 50 was the mark, right there. That also means, right, that I'd be looking at it down here. So realistically, this is the move. See it right here? That's the double top. 20 to 40 cents both directions. See it? Because it could break up 20 to 40 cents up, and it could start earlier 20 to 40 cents downside, right? That's what it looks like right there. Almost to the T. So all of this is considered, if you look at it from here and here, this is all a double top, right? Make sense? Okay,
Yes, sir.
great.
And REPL is fighting a triple top.
REPL? Yeah, nice. Nice. And you guys got in on it on the break of what?
6:30.
6:30. 6:35. Yep. Nice job. Anybody make any money on ARPL? REPL? 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 Repping the L? Did anybody make any money on repping the L?
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
Ripped it.
Ripped it. Nice. Ripped the REPL. You ripped the REPL. Good job.
Do it better with Ripple.
Ripple. Speaking of
Anybody remember Sham Pipple?
I do. Speaking of getting drunk with absolute unlimited knowledge, did you guys know that I have the Diamond Lifetime membership available? I have 3 of them today for our 3-year anniversary for $5,000 each. Did you guys know that? Or did you want to get drunk with knowledge? Speaking of Ripple,
How about 4?
Fred Sanford, that's his drink.
you like that? You like the way I
Yep.
put that in there?
That's what I heard.
Get over there.
I'm coming, Elizabeth.
Yes, get over there. Shine bright like a diamond. If you guys are interested in the coach's mentorship, I've got one who wants to work with me for a year straight. You got to put up with my stupid ass for a year straight. A whole year, you'd have to sit with me. One-on-one situations, right? Where we monitor your every move on how you are doing as an investor / stock market trader. Who wants to do that right now? We'll leave the mics open. Go ahead. Who's going to take it? Let's get it sold right now. We'll do it now. Go ahead. Oh, iPhone's getting hot. I got to kill this other session. The iPhone's over here getting smoked in the sun. Who wants the other one-on-one coach's mentorship right now? Take it. Take it now. Do it. Do it now. What is this, a hard sell? Are you guys serious right now? I should have made it. I should have made it what I wanted, which was $250,000. Oh, remind me to do that next time, moderators. I'm giving away this too much, and it makes it look cheap.
We'll even let you do it in 2 payments for $250,000.
We actually let people do 4 payments on that 50K, by the way, 12.5 a month. We have done that for one person. Last chance. Take it now.
U.S. crude news just came out, Coach.
Thank you.
Michael's got details in the chat.
Thank you. Appreciate you. How about this then? If I can't sell that because you guys don't want to work with multi-millionaire, how about this then? 3 Diamond Lifetime memberships. Get unlimited access to all of our membership services, including the mentorship that's going to be beginning soon here today. We got 3 of them. Who's getting one right now? Right now. I got 3 for our anniversary sale. Right now. Right.
Can you do it for 4,000?
No. Can I do it for 4,000? Who said that? Who was that masked man? Where are you?
You gotta admire the ask.
Where are you? Yeah, where are you?
I'm right here.
I
Here,
see.
that's me. 4,000, Danny boy.
Danny boy, because it's our 3-year anniversary. You got it. Done.
What
Thank
about
you,
me,
sir.
Coach?
God bless you,
My,
man.
You're
my
welcome.
daughter.
You're welcome. Have a great
My
day.
da-
Everybody have a good day now.
My adopted daughter.
Thank you. Everybody have a good day. That's nice. Listen, this is what I'm talking about. I don't know why you guys listen. How long have you been a part of this group? What do I always say? Take
He
what
who
is yours.
hesitates
Ask.
loses.
Yeah, ask for what you want and take what is yours. Stop being a bunch of little sissies. What is wrong with you? You've been here long enough.
We did
Don't-
get a request in YouTube, Coach, if that 5,000 came with a one-on-one with you.
It doesn't come with a one-on-one, but I
No
tell you
way.
what. I got to be careful what I say, because if I open the floodgates, it'll get stupid.
Nah, I was wondering what you.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, hold on. Hold on.
Easy.
I tell you what I'll do for the next 2 people and the next 2 people only, and I never do this shit, so don't ask me again. I'll slap the dog shit out of you.
I'm gonna ask you.
No. I'm gonna ask you tomorrow. I'm gonna ask you tomorrow.
We're gonna preempt it.
I'm gonna ask you tomorrow.
Some people want the slap.
I know it. They do. They're trying to pay for it, David. Did you hear them?
This group likes it rough, coach.
I know it's not right. I tell you what I will do. I'm trying to think and make sure the number's right because it's stupid when I do this and I don't like doing them because it takes up too much of my time. The next 2 people, I'll do a diamond lifetime membership with a one-on-one personal with me for an hour, and I'll do it for $8K. And in case you didn't know, a one-on-one with me is $6,000. 2 people. That's it. And I swear to God, if you ask me for lower, I'm slapping the shit out of you. I'm driving to your house. I'm going to monster truck over your house. I'm going to eat all your steaks, and I'm going to make you watch. That's it. So basically, so you're getting a $26,000 value for 8K, next 2 people. If you want it, you better open your mouth, because if somebody gets in ahead of you, I'm not doing anymore. I don't have room for them. I don't have time. I don't give a shit. Take it, open your mics, do it now. And in fact, I'm only going to give you 10 minutes because I don't even want to do that. So, and I'm not kidding. Moderators, if somebody hasn't had that locked in by 10:45, we're not doing it. I don't give a shit. I don't care if they ask, "Oh, but I missed it." I don't give a shit because I don't want to do it. It's dumb. It's too cheap. It's hard on me. I'm not doing it. So if you guys, that's it. Done.
Including
All
the
right.
one-on-one with him. If you can do it, grab it.
Yeah,
Grab it.
because I don't, and I just, my time is getting swallowed up, especially with the coach's mentorship. So you better do it right now.
All
We'll
right,
do.
Miguel Bolivar over on YouTube. You heard it.
There you
Here's your
go.
answer.
If you guys want it, say I want it. We'll lock you in because I don't want it left open. I don't like doing that at all. I just want it done. If you're gonna do it, do it. If you're not, don't. And then we'll just close that shit because some of my deals get really stupid. All right, thank
Blame
you.
it by opening a ticket.
Yeah, do it. But you've got 9 minutes, and I'm not playing around at all. This ain't a cash grab. I don't give a shit if you take it or not. I'm just, I'm telling you right now, I'm literally just doing this because of our anniversary. I am not playing around with it. Not kidding at all. Thank you. $8,000. That's about 12 seconds with a small account. I don't want to hear nothing. Thank you. By the way, did you guys, moderators, did you guys hear how no verbal commitments ran across the board?
It's just sad.
Crickets.
Yeah, that's crazy. So let's do this. Let's shut it down. I don't want to do it because I think it's stupid. Let's close it. If they didn't open a ticket now, if you're like, "Oh, but I was trying to open it," then we'll work with you, but I don't want to do it. Shut it down. Literally close it. People don't have their big boys and girls pants on. I don't want to do it. I think it's dumb. It's a terrible sale on my end. You guys were literally going to rob the shit out of me on that deal. I don't want it. Close it. It's closed. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for participating. Open your mouths next time. Not playing when I do those sales. You need to take advantage of it. I'm not messing around. Moderators, who was the one person that I said could get the diamond for 4K? The problem with me doing that is it waters down the value and people think, well, I'll just wait till it's $4,000. It's fucking $20,000. Right? Stop trying to I want to get it for $12. The fuck out of here with that shit. Right? But because you asked, I'm more than happy